Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. So this is the old synthetic wig that I had made previously. I will drop that video below. So today what I want to do is create some Beyonce waves where, the hair is not too deep of a wave, but it's not straight either. So so the way that I'm going to do that is do like a braid out. However, as you can see, I've already started. The braids are going to be smaller so that I'll get smaller, straighter type waves instead of the more big and defined waves. If you want big waves, all you have to do is make your braids bigger. So, prior to doing this braid out, I didn't do anything to the hair, like it's on dry hair. So I'm just going to braid it and then put rubber bands at the end. When I put rubber bands at the end, I kind of bend the end. Well, not yet. But I'm going to start to bend the ends so that they could be like a little curl. But, I mean, it ended up still being straight, so it really don't matter. But, yeah, so I'm just going to apply little bitty braids. These are like medium to small braids all over the head. I decided to do this look because, I mean, it's really simple and easy. And most people do like deep defined waves. And for this hair, like, I don't really like straight hair personally. But for some reason, I bought this straight hair. So I decided, let me go ahead and make it poofy or some type of big wave type curl. So this is what I decided to do. Now, like I stated before, I did make this wig. I will list the link to the video below so that you can see the type of hair it is and how I made it. So in order to get this hair to become wavy, what I did not record this part because I'm like, I can explain it. It's super simple. I boiled some hot water. It was like boiling water. And I dipped the braided hair, which was basically the whole wig, into the hot water. I let the hot water get into the braids really, really good so that it could set the hair to that style. So once I was done, I just towel dried it off and I hung it up on my door to let it dry. So yeah, this is how it looks before I dip it in hot water. And the water was just too hot to be like, I thought I was gonna burn myself because I couldn't get it situated right. So yeah, after that I let it dry and this is the next day. So I'm just gonna start taking the rubber bands out and then unraveling the braids. Alright, so as you can see, the wave is starting to show, which is really good. And something that I forgot to mention, if you decide to do any type of braid out on your wig, synthetic wig, human wig, it's good to make sure that it's completely dry before you unravel your braids. So yeah. So with this style, I think I put 9 or 10 braids. I'm not sure, but it was around that amount. And after I had it all taken down, this is how it looks. As you can see, it does have a slight wave to it, which is what I was looking for. This is how it looks once I had it on. I could have made them a little bigger so that the wave would be a little bit deeper, but that's fine. It still looked good. It still has a slight wave to it, and it is more poofier, more body, and I really like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Let me know what you think. Bye.